Morning, sir. I myself, Apurva Tiwari of class 10E, is over here to present my SST project before you all. My SST project is on the topic different form of power sharing and local self-government. Power sharing. Power sharing is a vital ingredient in any constitution. Power sharing ensures that there is an optimum balance between different sections in the society. Each and every state should have some form of power sharing. The chances of opportunity to every citizen increases. Power sharing has its own value in democracy. This ensures the establishment of political order. There are different types of power sharing. Horizontal power sharing. Power shared among different organs of the government such as legislature, executive and judiciary. Example, India distribution ensures that none of the organs can exercise and utilize unlimited power. Each and every organ keeps an eye on the other. This system of arrangement is called system of check and balance. Vertical power sharing. Vertical distribution of power. Power can be shared among government at different levels. A general central government for the entire country and the governments at the provincial or the state and regional level. Example, Indian Union government, that is central government and state government. Among political parties. Power shared among political parties, press groups and movements. This kind of power sharing competition ensures that the power does not remain in single hand for longer duration. Power is shared among different political parties that at present different ideologies and social groups. Successful working of local government. Local self-government makes it possible for the people at the local level to directly participate in discussion and decision making. This helps in it include a habit of democratic representation. Thus, constitution states for local government has helped to deepen democracy in our country. Local self-government also have helped to increase women's voice and represent in our democratic difficulties. While elections are held regularly and enthusiastically, Gram Sabha are not held regularly. Local government. Most state government has not transferred significant power to the local government, nor have they given them adequate resources. So in India, local government is working successfully. Thank you.